Hello everyone, I'm here. Very very hot. Oh my gosh. Very hot now guys because I am cooking now. The chicken thigh, it's already done and I am here now in the chicken wings. Oh, see? Chicken wings. So, it's really tasty. Yummy. So, um you can tempt this. People tempt this meal. So nice to the problem here guys is the very hot the sun. I don't know when the sun is go down. It's hurt to my face and to my hands. Sobrang, ay, yeah, a very strong wind come out. So the sun is really annoying. Very hot. So this one guys is okay. This one. This is a business now guys. So this is not for our food, but this is for hi. This is for the business. business. So it's in there. Tikal na naman ang iban. Naku po. Ayan na. So very hot. Guys, it's so very hot, but it's still very yummy. Naku po. Very yummy. So, guys. Ayan. Nasunog na naman, guys. It's burned. Nasunog na naman. Burn again. Oh. White lang. So guys, it's time to remove here. It's already very yummy. Tasty. Oh yeah. So it's all already done. La. Aray, super hot. Woo. This is if you risk your life. Aray ko. One more. Oh, very hot. So very hot guys, very hot. Okay, this is how a businesswoman I am. Ha! Nasunog na guys. The last one of a chicken, and I will show you the one I cooked today. Ha! Burn. So yeah, let's finish this one. So guys, this is it now. Wow, the chicken thigh and the chicken thigh and the chicken wings. Wow, it's so yummy. Wait. So hello guys, this is the next cook, a pork barbecue. So this is a pork barbecue. We need to cook it. Wait, taway gali kape. This one here. There we go. Hindi na play. This is guys meat here. Wow. Tasty, tasty. Tasty, tasty. Hi. Hello. Very yummy. Hello. Now it's cooked this already. Wow. It's cooked already and ready to keep it. Oh, it's too dark. Wait. Hi guys, now this one is cooked already. Yummy, yummy. Tasty, tasty. Need to keep this. This is the second trip. Second trip. Hi guys, I'm back. After I fighting the fire, I already successful finish my work. Wow, very yummy. Chicken inasal and pork barbecue. Chicken legs. So guys, it's time for me to seal for dinner. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the smell. Bye bye.